Alright, so today what I'm going to do is I am going to put this brushless motor and electronic speed control into this trackless rustler. So I ordered this on eBay. It came rather quickly. Take off these body clips. Alright, so first thing we'll do is we'll take off this wheel. Then, a minute with that. So for those of you who don't know, this is the spur gear, and this is the pinion gear. The pinion gear attaches to the motor. The motor is held on by 2 screws. Motor's out. Okay, there's that. Put that to the side. Take this out. And we will take the speed controller out. Okay. Give it a good cleaning. Anyone ever use this? It's a Google RC. 4,300 kilowatt or volt. Alright. I guess that can go like this. The wires can go in through here. Just as so. Alright, so I got to take that out. Yeah, it's on there. So in here is the receiver, and we need to unplug the speed controller. Probably. First we gotta take off this. They did a lot of changing of screws. that's taken off. Access these a little bit better. Alright, so there's the speed controller. Of course, put all your stuff inside. Now, what I'm going to do for the speed controller is I thought I had some Velcro that I was going to use. Well, I was going to Velcro this onto here, but it appears I didn't take it with me. So I'll put that to the side. The motor, ESC. So what I need to do now is take the pinion gear off of the original motor. That will slide right off. Now there's a groove side on the motor shaft. Get the set screw to sit on top of that groove and then tighten her back up. That's just for now. When I put it all back together, I might have to adjust it so that they sit perfectly. The spur gear and the pinion gear. So that's on there for right now. So then I'm going to put this in here. Take that off, or without having to take it off, I just have to find the screw. Hopefully this is gonna work. So let's see here. Seems to be on there. If this is big enough, that would be a shame. No brushless if it's not going to fit. But yeah, you pretty much just swap one for the other. So yeah, you see that that's not going to work like that. So what you could do is, let's see here, this is the smallest one. Let's just use the hand tool for that. Clear this area. Find our set screw again. Just right here. Set screw has off. Now what you could do is flip it, put it in like that. Now that seems too big. Not too big, but too long rather. So let's see what happens if we put it in. There you go. Just as so. Now this spur gear actually looks like it is on the verge of stripping out. So it's definitely important that we put this on straight. And then we got to set the lash between the two. All right. So tighten this girl back in. Nice and tight. All right. So now to set the lash, I usually just take a piece of computer paper, rip off a piece, then I will unscrew, unscrew this a little bit, so the bottom is enough, just to make it come out. Then I take a piece of paper, put it right in between the two, and then I push the motor back nice and tight, and keep it like that. Tighten it back in there, and then it's just as simple as sliding the paper out, and you see that crimples the paper, and you have a good solid lash. So that I'm just going to take these, route those in through there. Then if I had the Velcro, I would mount that here. This gets pushed into the receiver, and this is an on and off switch. Maybe it would go better this way, but the on and off switch isn't going to reach there. This is good because it's already on that side, so maybe we'll keep it like that. And then that's pretty much it. Put everything back together. I'll probably be making a second video once I fix everything back up, and I need a Dean's to TRX adapter for my battery. And that should pretty much be it. Be interested to see what the speed on this thing is afterwards, or if there's any change or no change. There should be a change, but well, that's that. Definitely look for part 2 once I get the rest of my stuff. All right, thank you.